Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Clarita. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me know what content you want to see and I promise I will do it. So to guys to know that I do wholesale now, so if you want to start a lip gloss businesses, you don't know any vendor, you can please go on my website and check what we had and you can purchase from me. So I'm gonna tell you guys what we offer. The first thing that I want you guys to know is that we do have syringe 6 minimum, I think 12 for $18, and for the wholesale we start with 20 lip gloss to $150. So give me 1 second, I'm just looking for the price. So basically 20 lip gloss for $40, 32 for $60, 40 for $80, 50 for $100, 60 for $120, 72 for $140, 82 for $160, 92 for $190, and $152 for $260. So I'm going to show you that squeeze tool that I'm using. So please watch the video, support me, and I will make sure I support your business. And yeah, so if you guys go on my website, you're gonna see I have a new logo. If you guys want to know why I changed my logo and how did I do it, comment below and I will teach you guys. So like I was saying, this is my base. My bucket is on the way. I'm just waiting for it to be shipped. So this is what I get right now to do it, guys, because I need to stock so bad. It's crazy. This is my base that I'm gonna use to make lip gloss. I have a wholesale to do. I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna make some makeup because I don't have no rose, I don't have no glossy, and I don't have no sky. So I'm gonna do it. And also I'm gonna teach you guys how I make my lip gloss base. Yeah, we also have lip gloss base. We're also gonna add pigment. It's not on the website. The base and the pigment is not on the website. I think by Monday or Tuesday it's gonna be the website. I'm gonna do a video of how I make it and I'm gonna tell you guys it's already in the website. So right now what I have on my website is my wholesale lip gloss squeeze tubes, and we have my syringe, and we have business talk. Like if you want, we can FaceTime one-on-one, and then you can have that whatever question you have, I will answer it. I also gonna offer vendor list, and I'm just not gonna say anything. So yeah, this is my base. This is my pigment, my blue pigment that I'm gonna be using when people do wholesale. And also this is what I use to make my lip gloss. I call it Sky on my website, and that's my brown pigment. I have it on my website as a chocolate. And I also have to show you guys a video, so I'm gonna put it maybe. So this is my Barbie pigment. I love it. It's really cute. No, this is not my Barbie. That's the rose pigment. I'm so sorry. This is my Barbie that everybody loves. Like I had 20. Right now I have to go to stock. It didn't even take 3 weeks for it to be sold. I want to thank you guys. If it was any of you guys my supporter, I want to thank you for purchasing me. That's my 24 karat gold pigment. And that's my silver pigment. And this one, to be honest with you, I I didn't purchase it. I didn't order it. It just came to me. So I cannot wait to mix them and see how it look like. So guys, okay. If you guys want to know how to make your label, please comment below, because paying people for $160 or $250 or $85 or how you call it, $80 for label for is too much. I think it's too much, to be honest with you. This is cute. I made this myself. It's really cute. Yeah, so that's my new logo, guys. I made those label for my lip gloss. It's really cute. I love it. You see? So yeah, if you guys want to see how I make this, please comment below, because listen, we're not quarantine, so we need to save money and less of. Look, that's my other label, and I look cute. Look at it, guys. It look cute, right? So please stop ordering from people. Like, label is really easy to make. If you guys want to see how I make my label, please comment below, because nobody have money to waste. So before I open this, I'm gonna open this one, my syringe, because before I do this, let me show you the tools that I'm gonna be using. Oh, I forgot to say, we also sell tubes. So if you order 50, I think it was 40 or 25. I don't remember, but I think it was around that price. And then if you order 150, it's gonna be for 120. 150 tubes, 120. So this is basically the screws tube I'm gonna be using to make a label. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm so sorry. So I have, this is necessity. You need this to make lip gloss. I don't care what people say, but you need this. And then this is the top, and then this is the screws. You see? It is so cute. You see? I love it. So yeah, we have those. When you guys order the screws tube, it's gonna come with a pink bag, and it's gonna look pretty cute because presentation is cute, guys. So yeah, before, like, when you guys order lip gloss, even though I washed them after I made it or any of my screws, when it gets to you, please wash it, because it's gonna be packaging and stuff like that. You need to be as much as sanitized. So that's the screws. What are you doing? So let's get to my syringe. My syringe is really so this is how it is. I have plenty. So okay, like I was saying, if you order 6 syringe, I think it was for $18 or $20. No, 12 syringe was for $20. So if you go on my website, you're gonna see my syringe kit. It's gonna be 12 syringe for for $18 or $20. Yeah. So, and I didn't get my bag yet, so that's why I cannot tell you how much my bag is gonna look because I don't know yet. So definitely when I get my bag shipped, definitely I will do a video on it so you guys can see. Yeah, so you guys, so when you guys order Wholesale lip gloss, it's gonna come in this bag. And to be honest with you guys, I think this bag was small. I didn't expect it to be that big. So it's really like, it's really cute. Like this is how big it is. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. You guys are gonna see how big it is. But I really like it because I didn't expect it to be big. This is pretty big. And then you see my label gonna be like right here, so you guys can see it's from Bossy collection. Yeah, so yeah, so that was pretty it, to be honest. That video was really simple. Yeah, so like I said, if you like it, please subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, so yeah guys, so basically like I was saying, that's all I have to show right now because I have to wait for everything. So yeah, so please do me a favor, make sure you share it, like it, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know what content you guys want to see because I promise I will do it. And also if you guys want to see how I make my label, make sure you comment below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.